Welcome back, viewers. In the last class, we talked about angle 30 degree and also angle 60 degree. So in this class, I'm going to be talking about angle 45 degree. Now, let's have a look at that. Now, let's consider this right angle triangle. This is angle 90, and here we have this to be angle 45 degree, and this also to be 45 degree. Remember the rule of a triangle that says that the sum of angle in a triangle should be equals to 180 degree. And if we add this up, 45 plus 45 plus 90 is going to give you 180 degree. Good. Then how can we get the trigonometric ratio for this? Today, we're still going to be using the SOHCAHTOA approach. Here we have sine 45 degree cos 45 degree and tan 45 degree. Here, you can choose any of these angles. It can be this or this. Since they are the same, you can choose any of it. Now, let's choose this. If this is our reference angle, then the side in which this angle 45 is facing is going to be the opposite. Okay? And this is our hypotenuse. And the side that has both angle 90 and the reference angle is going to be the adjacent. And what is the rule for this? Here we have this to be 1, 1, and square root of 2. You can use Pythagoras theorem. Here we just have this to be 1, 1. And if you use Pythagoras theorem, you have this to be square root of 2. Okay, we've talked about that in the previous class. And here I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA. Now for sine theta, we have it to be opposite over hypotenuse. And what is my opposite? Opposite is 1. Hypotenuse is square root of 2. Okay, now we have cos 45 degree. For our cos, we have adjacent hypotenuse. So here we have adjacent, which is 1, hypotenuse root 2. You can see that sine 45 and cos 45, they are the same. And the last one is tan 45 degree, which is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. This can be simplified further using SOHD by saying times root 2 times root 2 to rationalize. And here we have root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2, and this remains as 1. So this is for sine 45, cos 45, and tan 45. In the subsequent class, I'm going to talk about the application of this, and also when you have very large angles, how do you deal with it? Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share to those who might be interested in this class. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.